In this video, we'll be going over the top 4 best credit cards that you can get as a college student. And we're gonna start right now. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jelfri Torres, and in today's video, we're going to talk about the top 4 best credit cards, the offers and rewards that they offer, and you get to decide which one you think is best for you. Before we go any further, I want you guys to be aware that I've already made a top 5 best credit cards video that's not specifically directed for college students. I'll leave a link for that video in the description box below. All of the cards in that video are secured credit cards, so even college students can apply and qualify for those credit cards. Secured credit card just simply means that you have to make a deposit, and whatever you deposit determines what your credit limit is going to be. And after that, after you have had the credit cards for 6-8 months of consistently using it and paying it on time, within 6 to 8 months, you should get an amazing credit score of over 700 or even over 720. You will get your deposit back, and then you'll be able to get a new credit card, which is simply unsecured without the requirement of you having to deposit any money at all. Please make sure that you follow these best practices, which is to use your credit card every single month, to not go over 30% of your credit limit. Never ever close a credit card. Make sure that when you apply for credit cards that you're okay with any of the fees that you have to pay, such as an annual fee. And every 6 to 8 months, you should be asking for a credit limit increase from your credit cards. The first card on our list is the Bank of America Cash Rewards credit card. This card offers 3% cash back on gas, dining, online shopping, travel, and more. You'll be able to get 2% cash back at grocery stores and wholesale clubs, and for everything else, it'll be 1% cash back. Another great thing about this card is that there is no annual fee. You can easily manage your account online or via the Bank of America app. You will also have access to your updated FICO score online or again via the Bank of America app. You'll be able to do this with any device as long as you're able to log into your Bank of America account. Next on our list is the Discover It Student Cashback. This card offers 5% cash back on everyday purchases that you do on Amazon.com every 3 months, grocery stores, restaurants, gas stations, and you still be able to receive those cashback rewards even if you pay via PayPal. You'll be able to receive as much cashback as possible until you have reached your limit, which will be determined at the time when you're approved for the credit card. On any other purchases that you make, you'll get 1% cashback automatically. Also, at the end of your first year of owning the credit card, you'll be able to get double the amount of money from your cash back. So what I mean by that is, if at the end of the year you end up with $1,000 cash back into your Discover It card, then at the end of the year, let's just say from December 1st of 2020 to December 1st of 2021, that's a span of a year, you have collected $1,000 in cash back. They'll double it to $2,000, and that's just for your first year. So before you even decide to collect any of your cash back, make sure you just leave it on your account until your first year is over. That way you get more money. You also get a $20 reward from your card if you could prove to Discover that you have earned higher than a 3.0 GPA, and you could use this for the next 5 years. So make sure you hit the book, study up, and get your GPA high, because this is just a free $20 that you could be earning for the next 5 years. And it may not sound like much, but $20 is $20. You could pay utilities, you could buy more supplies that you need for school, you could buy food, you could pay for your gas. With the Discover It Student Cashback card, there are no annual fees. You'll be able to freeze and unfreeze the card from your Discover app, and also you will get alerts if Discover finds that your social security number has been used in the dark web. There is an introductory 0% APR for your first 6 months. Then after those 6 months, it could range from 12.99% to 21.99%, and the rate that you get depends on how well you perform for those first 6 months. And for every friend that you refer to this card and they successfully get approved, you'll be eligible for a $50 statement credit. The next card on our list is the Journey Student Rewards from Capital One. So this card and the previous I have owned in the past, and it has helped me develop a high credit score early on in my life. This card offers 1% cash back for all the purchases that you make, and if you pay on time every single month, they'll give you a 1.25% cashback boost for that month. You can earn $5 per month on select streaming subscriptions that you already have, as long as you're paying on time. This card comes with no annual fees, no foreign transaction fees. Just make sure before you travel that you let your bank know where you're going to be going and for how long. That way they don't see it as fraudulent activity and you end up being who knows how far and you have no access to your card. For this card, you'll be able to choose your due date, so make sure that you put it on a date that's comfortable for you, whether you're a person who prefers to have all their bills in the same week, or you would like to have some flexibility and have your bills in 1 week and then possibly pay your credit card 2 weeks after you pay all of your bills. You will be automatically considered for a higher credit limit in as little as 6 months. With this card, you will also get a $0 fraud liability, meaning if someone just steals your card, let's just say you lose it and it gets stolen, and someone decides to buy a new furniture set, you will be protected. And you will be able to monitor your credit using the CreditWise app, which is 100% free. Next on our list is going to be the Bank of America Travel Rewards credit card for students. This card comes with no annual fees, no foreign transaction fees, and you're able to accumulate many points that you could use to deduct or pay for flights, cruises, baggage fees, car rentals, hotels, and vacation packages. You'll be able to earn an unlimited 1.5 points per dollar that you spend, and there's no expiration on that. If you spend at least $1,000 within 90 days of opening your credit card, you will earn a bonus 25,000 points for that, which can be redeemed for a $250 statement credit. So essentially what this means is that for every 100 points, that equals $1 that you could use for all the things that I mentioned in the past, like car rentals, baggage fees, flights, and such. That just means in order for you to be able to have $100 statement credit, you'll need to have accumulate at least 10,000 points. This card also protects you for potential fraud if there's anything weird going on, like no one hitting the like button for the YouTube algorithm. All of the cards that I've mentioned are wonderful cards that you can use to get some cash back, to be able to build amazing credit as you continue studies in college. I'm sure those of you who would like to prioritize cashback will prefer the Discover It Student Cashback Credit Card or the Bank of America Cash Rewards Credit Card. Those of you who love to travel would prefer the cards, the Journey Student Rewards from Capital One and the Bank of America Travel Rewards Credit Card for students. Make sure that before you decide on a credit card, you make sure that it fulfills your lifestyle. If you're one to travel, if you're someone who has trouble paying bills, if you're someone who prefers to travel, then you prefer a credit card that comes with points, in which could translate to free flights, car rentals in the future. If you're someone that has trouble paying bills, then possibly a card that comes with high cashback offers will be preferable for you. That way you have a little bit of help with paying your bills. Because if you focus all your credit card purchases on things that you need, that's money that you would not have expected back. Saying if you paid with a debit card or if you paid in cash, you wouldn't be getting those same cashback offers. Make sure that when you're using your credit card for purchases, that is for things that are completely necessary. Otherwise, you're just accumulating debt, and the cashback will help with that, but it's best if you keep it to essentials only. And if you have great grades, make sure that you consider the Discover It Student Cashback Credit Card, because it gives incentives for those with good grades to get just a little bit of money. Links to all the cards will be in the description box below. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you tune in to more content by clicking on this box below. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.